Ever notice how some people enter a space and instantly the energy shifts? No loud entrance, no big announcement, nothing. But everyone just feels it. What's their secret? Stick around because it's simpler than you think. I used to blend into walls. Seriously, people talked over me, walked past me like I didn't exist. School hallways, family dinners, work meetings. I was just there. Background noise. Then I discovered something incredible. 5 small habits. That's it. Just 5 things. And my world flipped upside down. People started noticing me, asking my thoughts, actually caring what I had to say. Here's the wild part. I wasn't talking more. I was actually talking less. Today, I'm breaking down these 5 habits, starting with the easiest and building to the most powerful one. And listen, you can try these today, right after watching this. No training required, no expensive courses, just real techniques that work. But let me be clear about something. Respect isn't earned by being the loudest person. It's not about intimidation, not about games. True respect is almost invisible. People feel it in their gut without understanding why. And when you unlock this, everything shifts. I've been testing these for over 3 years, on myself first, then coaching friends, even trying them with complete strangers. The results? Consistent. Every single time. So lock in, because what you're about to learn will transform how the world sees you. 1. Own your space. Look around right now. Watch how most people carry themselves. Hunched shoulders, eyes glued down, making themselves smaller, like they're apologizing for existing. That's the opposite of what you want. Here's what confident people do. They take up space. Not in an aggressive way, just present. Chest open, spine straight, chin level, relaxed but solid, like they belong wherever they are. Why does this matter so much? Simple. Your body language speaks louder than words ever could. When you carry yourself with strength, people's subconscious minds label you as someone important. They don't choose to think this. It's automatic. Try something right now. Straighten your back. Roll those shoulders down. Notice that? That's what presence feels like. 2. Master the art of pace. Here's something you'll see over and over. Respected people are never in a rush. Their movements are deliberate. Their words are measured. Everything has intention. Meanwhile, anxious people, racing everywhere like the building's on fire. Here's the psychology. Slow movement signals control. Control signals confidence. Confidence creates respect. It's a chain reaction. Picture this scenario. 2 people entering the same room. First person bursts in, fumbling with stuff, words tumbling out fast. Second person glides in smoothly, settles calmly, pauses before speaking. Who commands attention? The slow one. No contest. Start applying this immediately. Walk with purpose, not speed. Speak with clarity, not rush. Even simple actions like eating. And here's the secret benefit. When you slow yourself down, something amazing happens. People start waiting for your words. They lean closer. They get curious. Because in our hyperspeed world, the calm person becomes magnetic. 3. The eye contact game changer. This one feels uncomfortable at first, but it's incredibly powerful. Most people avoid eye contact like it's dangerous. They find the floor fascinating, the ceiling, their hands, anywhere except someone's eyes. Huge mistake. Massive. Eye contact sends a clear message. I'm here. I'm not scared. I'm confident. And confidence earns respect instantly. But here's the balance. Don't death stare like a statue. That's just creepy. Instead, use the rhythm. Lock eyes for about 3 seconds. Glance away briefly. Come back. Feels natural. Looks confident. I'll never forget testing this. Had a presentation at work. Normally, I'd study the slides the entire time. This time, I practiced the rhythm with my audience. 3 seconds. Break. Return. 3 seconds. Break. Return. The difference was insane. Same presentation, same content, but suddenly people were engaged, nodding, taking notes, actually respecting my expertise. Your homework. Practice with everyone. The coffee shop worker, your roommate, random conversations. Within days, you'll feel the shift. 4. Become the best listener. Wait, get respect without talking? Exactly. By listening like it's your superpower. Here's where people mess up. Someone speaks, and immediately their brain is preparing responses, planning what sounds smart, waiting for their turn. They're not actually listening, they're just on standby. People with real respect flip the script. They listen with full attention, like every word matters, because it does. They give small nods, soft acknowledgments. I see. Tell me more. They ask real questions. They genuinely care. Why is this so effective? Because humans crave being heard. It's a deep need. When you truly listen to someone, you make them feel valued. And when you make people feel valued, they remember you. They respect you. Always. Here's your challenge. Next conversation, forget about your response. Just focus on understanding them. Watch their expressions. Catch their tone. Feel their energy. Then respond thoughtfully. The way they treat you afterward will shock you. And before I reveal the final secret, the most powerful one, you need these 4 foundations solid, because number 5 only works when you've mastered the rest. 5. Embrace strategic silence. This is the ultimate power move. The thing that separates ordinary people from magnetic people. Ready? When things get intense, say nothing. Just be quiet. Sounds backward, right? Let me break it down. When problems explode, when drama erupts, when chaos hits, everyone starts talking. Opinions flying, voices rising, noise everywhere. And in all that noise, nothing gets heard. Zero impact. But the person who stays silent, the one just observing and absorbing, they become the most powerful person there. Because when they finally speak, the entire room freezes. Everyone listens. Silence is your secret weapon. It creates mystery. It suggests wisdom. It makes people think you're seeing something they're missing. Here's the method. When conflict starts or complaining begins, resist jumping in. Just observe. Stay calm. Be patient. Then, when the noise dies down, you speak. Keep it short. Keep it calm. And watch what happens. Saw this perfectly last week. Team meeting turned into a shouting match. Deadlines. Blame. Total mess. One person sat quietly the entire time. Didn't add to the chaos. Just watched. Listened. Thought. Finally, after everyone exhausted themselves, she spoke. 7 words. What if we focus on solutions instead? Room went silent. Everyone reset. Everyone listened. Everyone followed her lead. That's silence power. But here's what nobody tells you about respect. These 5 habits are just tools. They help, absolutely. But the real secret runs deeper. Respect flows from self-respect. When you stand tall, you're honoring your body. When you move deliberately, you're valuing your time. When you hold eye contact, you're acknowledging your worth. When you listen deeply, you're respecting others. When you use silence, you're treasuring your words. You cannot fake this. People sense the difference between performance and authenticity, between someone playing a role and someone who genuinely believes in themselves. Let me make this crystal clear. Number 1. Stand tall like you have every right to be here, because you absolutely do. Number 2. Move and speak with intention, like you're not governed by other people's timelines. Rushing broadcasts insecurity. Number 3. Hold eye contact for 3 seconds, then break naturally. Shows strength without weirdness. Number 4. Listen so deeply that people feel truly heard. That's more valuable than clever words. Number 5. Use silence strategically. Quiet people command more respect than loud ones, always. These 5 habits transformed my life, from invisible to influential, and I've watched it work for countless others. Your coworkers, your family, your friends, everyone responds differently when you embody these principles. Here's what I want from you right now. Choose one habit, just one. Try it today. Maybe you start with posture, maybe slower speech, whatever feels natural. Commit for 1 week, 7 days. Then notice what changes. I guarantee you'll see the difference.